Okay, now you try, Mom, your code. So you have to hold that down until it turns green.
Yeah.
Little lights. Okay.
So
Have they turned green?
I haven't seen
it
them
either.
It takes like 20 seconds.
Well, yeah, when you first do it, it doesn't take as long, but then after you open it and close it, then it takes a while to reset. And then there it went.
Okay.
Oh, I pushed it more. I pushed A instead of
just push enter. Okay, now start again. I think it's already woken up.
Okay. Enter.
Yep. Oh.
Oh, it
Try
turned.
again.
Oh.
It's red.
Yeah, don't push that first.
Huh?
Yeah, don't push it first. It's already woken up.
Oh.
I thought it had a reset.
Only after you open it and close it.
Enter.
Enter.
There you go.
Now
Okay.
09?
Oh, no. Oh, now you gotta do it again.
Oh, no.
You gotta watch for the lights to turn green after you push in your numbers.
No, press this no more?
Yeah, you have to, I think. There you go.
09?
Mm-hmm.
And then
Enter.
And then?
Yep. Now.
Okay. Down.
Yeah. I don't have to do it again.
And then back
push
up.
up.
Okay.